Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. So the next slide video. In this video, we're going to use this 2-inch telescope eyepiece. Okay, on this what they call an industrial objective zooming lens. It's just a small like a microscope, but it's unlike the compound microscope. Okay, like this is a compound microscope over here. This one. Okay. Now we don't use it on this amount here, this objective lens. Okay, with this on it, I'm just show you with the adapters. So first, okay, there's this adapter here that just like this. Those guys do quite well. This is not cheap, by the way. This is like $20. Okay, it's literally small ring as if you're buying a ring for your friend. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is from inside. It will allow this to inside the ring. It will allow this male side to insert inside the ring. Okay, and this way. Insert it from outside now. Instead of it being on a C mount, what they call the screw size from inside the C mount, which is 25 millimeters, it's now M28. Okay, now M28, and this is M here, from the side is M20 watt, not 20 watt, it's M48. Okay, because this is so big. This is all 5-inch, 2 inches, okay, which is 5 centimeters, 50 millimeters if you convert it. Okay, so what we do is get adapters. Okay, so the adapter for it will be, what is it? Yeah, there's an adapter for it. Yeah, but it's still there. Okay, it's still there. Okay, this is like here you have 2-inch insert. This is like an adapter from M28. This is M28 here, and this is M23 for the microscope, the compound microscope. We have this adapter over here. I can just simply use it directly, like this. And this way I can, because this here has another ring, see. Okay, it's converts from M48 to M28. So M28 is the screw size for the color filter of the microscope, of a telescope eyepiece. Okay, telescope eyepiece. And the color filter will be going here, and the color filter screw will be M28. The eyepieces I'm talking about are not the 2-inch eyepieces, they are the 1.25-inch eyepieces. So we can use this, and then please revise the sizes because they are important. Okay. And if you want to repeat the video to understand it, you can use it like this. Okay. Then here I have an adapter. Okay. This is here 50 millimeters. Okay. Here is 75 millimeters. Yes, we put this. This here is like 39 millimeters from inside, and then you can install it like this. There's a screw it's allowing it from getting like softly. Okay. Just to change it, like I have to use a screwdriver. Okay. So there's inside it here. See, there's a little screw, okay, which prevents it from getting out. Okay, and this here has this edge here. See, it's not allowing it to fall. So there's another one with the 75 millimeters. Also, there's another screw over here. Okay. See, there's a screw over here too. Okay. Right. So that's it. I can just simply use this. Okay. now we need the lamp. This because this is a microscope on the bottom. Okay, you need to run the lamp. Okay. So you can just do this like this. This side because my power socket is that side. Okay. Let's let me get that charger. Because it runs on USB 5 volts, I have to use the charger. Let's see, turned on a little bit for a while because the charger has still some energy in it. Okay, so here you're going to install it here. Okay. And here's our stand on. I can put anything to read. Okay. Just focusing, that's all I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, it works, but just it's like very little space between them, okay? Because this is 10 millimeters, I don't know, maybe because of the type of glass used. Okay, but that's it, it works, okay? That's all how it will be. I can give you an idea that it's working, okay? You can see here, I'm gonna lower the brightness. So yeah, you can see here, and I can just maybe zoom in. That's it. So yeah, it works. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. Those are very rare videos if you want to say. Okay. I always work on great stuff.